We're going to make the bread. We're going to start off with 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and about a tablespoon of baking powder. And you want to stir that around a little bit, and then we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using avocado oil here. Next, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of fresh garlic. Yes, we're adding this in the batter. You do not want to skip this unless you can't eat garlic. We're going to add about 1 cup of water, and we're going to stir this around until it pulls away from the sides. Next, we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of flour, and you want to knead for about 1 minute. Please do not over knead, or your bread won't come out soft. I put a little bit of olive oil on my hand, and I'm going to cover this with a towel for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now we're going to go back to our dough. We're going to put just a tad of flour down so that it won't stick. And we're going to divide this up into whatever size that you think you want it. I wanted a nice size pita bread. So I think I may have gotten around 8 out of this. So once you have them all divided, you want to roll them into little balls, set aside, and then we're going to get to flatten them out into pita bread. You just want to keep rotating and flipping over so that you can maintain your circle. If it sticks, just make sure you add a little more flour and repeat this process until you get all 8 done. You see those little specks in there? That's the fresh garlic. Now you want to take a pan and just put a little bit of olive oil. I put maybe like a teaspoon of olive oil per pita bread that I'm making. You can actually cook these dry if you wanted to, but I just feel like it gives it a better taste and a better texture